Hi, I'm Bobby Valsraj. There has been many demands from the viewers of my YouTube channel that what is the difference between internet and intranet? Internet and web or World Wide Web. And people used to get confused between the memory and the storage. And even people are thinking like these both are same. So I thought to clarify these doubts and say the difference between these points. First of all, let me tell you what is meant by memory and storage. Memory is nothing but the amount of data or the amount of locations that can be addressed by a device, either it is a mobile phone or a computer. But the storage is nothing but the storage facility. That means the amount of data which can be stored permanently, while memory is not a storage. During the working working of a computer, the data is accessed from memory. It is not accessed from the storage. Storage is nothing but a permanent storage solution, while memory is from where the data is taken. Memory is not a permanent, that is temporary storage. That is, while the computer or mobile is on, then only that memory will be active. While the storage will be permanent, and even the mobile or computer, whichever is off, then also the data which is kept in that storage will be safe. So people used to get confused between the memory and storage. While we say a mobile phone is having 4 GB memory and 32 GB storage, so I think the difference between memory and storage has been made clear to you. While we say that a mobile or a device is having 4 GB memory space, that means during the working hours of that particular device, the data will be accessed from the temporary storage, that is of 4 GB, which has been stored permanently in the storage area. So the storage area is 32 GB is nothing but that is a permanent storage area, while during the working hours of a device, that data will be accessed from the memory. So you will be getting a doubt that why the data is not directly accessed from the storage and why it is accessed from the memory. See, the computer or the device or the processor is very fast, capable of doing many n number of applications, n number of calculations. That is very powerful, very efficient, while the storage is not that much speed. So in order to cope up with the speed of the processor with that reading and writing operation from the memory, from the storage, the contents will be loaded from the storage to the memory. That will be temporary. That means data will be fetched from the storage to the memory on a temporary basis during the working of a device, means working of a mobile or a computer. So the storage is nothing but a permanent storage, say like where your photos, your songs, your films, whatever, and even the basic requirement of your phone is stored. That is nothing but the storage. That can be the physical storage of the device, that means physical storage of the computer or phone, or it can be removable storage. But in case of memory, that is a part of the processor, that means that is on the motherboard. It's a temporary storage to where the contents will be loaded from the secondary storage to enable the fast processing. So the rest of the topic we will cover in the next episode. Thank you.